Sheesh. That's a good fish. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come on. Hey, chill out. That. Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh boy. That is a bigger one than normal. Woo. Come here, buddy. Don't. Woo. Come here, buddy. Oh, missed him. He does not want. Oh, nope, he does not want to get in the net. Come here. Oh, that's a good one. There we go. That is a unit of a fish. That's a big boy. Let's see, just for comparison, I'm gonna measure this later. So he is larger than my net. Oh, now we're good. Oh, there's a fish. Hey! Is that a good one? Got a fish. Just a pretty normal size one, it looks like. Got it in the net. She's a beauty. A little bit smaller than the last one, but looks good. Now for the release. Yeah, I mean they're just jerk baits basically. I just go get them at Sportsman's. They're $4. I'll give you one really quick. That's all good. I'll just give it to you. It's not a big deal.
So is that what you use all the time?
Yeah, so I'm actually going to give you a slightly different one.
You know, I caught a nice, I got a 14-incher on a brown rooster tail.
Yeah.
And caught the thing all the time.
So this is kind of what my stuff looks like right now.
Those look like small ones too.
Yeah, I got a little bit of everything, but I was going to say,
That's what the other guy was
you can take that and you can
Really?
use that one. I catch fish on that all the time.
Well, thank you, man.
So yeah, no problem.
What's your name?
Nate.
Mike.
Mike, nice to meet you. Oh, there's a fish. That thing went straight down, huh? What do you think? We foul hooked him? Feels pretty decent. He does not feel very light. Do I have him snagged? But he doesn't want to move. Is that on the tail? I don't know if I've ever seen this. Well, he happens to be a good fish, too. No wonder. Okay, you can see that. Got him on his tail. So we got him unhooked. He's a good one. He's a solid one. You can see him. I mean, look at his head. Pretty thick. I mean, he's about the same length as my net. Solid, buddy. Absolutely beautiful. Here we go. We'll put him back. There he went. So we got a little eddy right here. Should be a pretty decent spot. Hopefully we'll get one over on that edge. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, he's in the faster current. Get over here. Get over here. We got him. Just kind of gave up, huh? Oh, he got off. Oh, he was a good one. No! I was about to net him and he got off. Almost dragged something off that rock. Oh, there we go. There's a fish. Come here, buddy. Taking a little bit of drag. Oh, I'm gonna have to get down and net him, I think. Am I gonna be able to reach him? Interesting. It's a possibility. Oh. Had to get a little tricky with that net. There he is. Throw him back. There we go.